Let's now look at the tooth. Here we have a longitudinal section of a dried, non-decalcified, and unstained tooth. Each tooth is grossly divided into two segments, the crown and the root. The crown is that portion which projects into the oral cavity and is protected by a layer of enamel, which covers it entirely. Enamel is not present at the root of the tooth, and here the dentin is covered by cementum. Here you can see the enamel on the surface, then the dentin, and then in the middle the pulp cavity. And the pulp cavity is continuous with root canal of the tooth, where blood vessels and nerves can enter into the pulp cavity and provide nutrition and also carry sensation away from the tooth. As you can see, the bulk of tooth is made up of dentin, a mineralized tissue which has a similar chemical composition to bone. Let's have a better look at dentin. So, when you look at the thickness of dentin, you'll see these tubes that have the process of the odontoblast. The odontoblasts are located in the pulp cavity on the inner surface of the dentin. The root is invested by a thin layer of cementum. As I said before, enamel is not present at the root of the tooth, and here the dentin is covered by cementum. And if you look at carefully, you can see cementocytes sitting in the cementum. You can see cementum here better. And these cells are cementocytes. Here you can see some lines through the enamel, lines of Retzius. These different stereo or lines represent incremental growth of both the enamel and also the dentin. Sometimes they are actually historical events of things that may have occurred in our lives during the tooth development, such as changing our diet or getting various environmental products circulating our body, such as lead. I really thank you for your listening.